Hey guys and gals, this is Christopher Mosher from MyMediaHelper.com, and I'm just hanging out at the Dunkin' Donuts here in the drive-thru, so I thought I'd make a quick video this time about apps for your phone on stuff that I've covered through the lessons that I've posted on the YouTube channel already. So I just wanted you to be aware that they're out there and they're pretty useful. And if you're hanging out like at the doctor's office or Dunkin' Donuts or really any place, you can take a look at your stats. This is analytics. So just go to your favorite app store, Google Store, Play, and then you can just put in analytics, and this should be the first one that pops up. You can just check out your stuff while you're just hanging around. Maybe you're waiting for the wife at the grocery store, or I don't know, waiting for the girlfriend at the hair salon. I don't know. Whatever you do, whenever you got some time. All right, and so this is the recording right here, this AZ screen recorder. That's what I do to record my videos, so that's very useful. And then, of course, WordPress. And then I can check out and go to my WordPress. You can check out stats there. I don't have Jetpack installed there, so I can't check it out. But your blog posts, you can check them out. You can write them while you're just hanging out. You can create a post right there, as it says. So another useful thing. And then ClickBank, that's an affiliate link, so it has affiliate links, I should say, where you go and get other people's products and you promote them. And I haven't touched upon this in any videos yet because we haven't gotten that far, but you can download this and take a look. And these are all the products, all the affiliates that you can get involved in and take a look through. Alright, do you really want to exit this application? Yep, for now. Okay, GetResponse. So I brought up GetResponse the last lesson, and this is very useful. This is for your email list, and you can just check that out while you're hanging out. And you can see this is going up as time goes on. I'm getting more contacts, so that's a beautiful thing. And Skype for Business. Skype, you know what Skype is. I use those for chatting, so I'm not going to get too involved in that. Loom, that's another recorder, just like AZ screen recorder. I just prefer AZ for smartphone. Google Ads, haven't touched on those yet in any training, so that's not coming up anytime soon, but it will be there, so that app stays there. Zoom, you know what Zoom is. It's conference calling, video conference calling, so you can see everyone's pretty faces. And then there's Teams, that's just Team Skype. That's just if you have, I believe that's Team Skype. Oh, that's Microsoft, I'm sorry. That's Microsoft Teams, so if you want to have a group to have a team chat, then you use Microsoft Teams. Alright guys and gals, that's all I wanted to show you, just some apps you can download on your phone, and I'm sure there's more out there, and I'll probably be adding more as time goes on, but those are what I'm using right now. So, could you please subscribe, like, and share below? I would appreciate it, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.